So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now, you're going to find the Windows Biometric service. You're going to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in SFC /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run the scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And then once you're on this, under computer configuration, you want to expand administrator templates. Now you want to expand Windows components. And now you want to click on biometrics. And now all this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, where it says allow the use of biometrics, you want to double click on this. You want to set this to enabled. And then click on OK. And now for the one under it, allow users to log on using biometrics, double click on this, set this to enabled, and then click on OK. Now for the one under it, allow domain users to log on using biometrics, double click on it, set this to enabled, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to go to view and then click on show hidden devices. You should now be seeing on your screen biometric devices. It should appear right here. On my screen I don't have it because I'm using a virtual machine, but on your screen it should be saying biometric devices. So you want to expand that, and then you want to find your biometric device. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. Then you just want to restore your computer and then the problem should be fixed.